Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create highly complex cloud images that you can actually sell on Adobe Stock to make some extra money. We will do this by creating a custom, realistic cloud brush in Photoshop, and it's super easy, so let's get started. First, open your browser and search for a high-quality cloud image on Google. Look for an image with a clear blue sky and a distinct white cloud. Once you find the perfect one, just right-click and save it to your local assets folder. Now, let's open our file manager, grab that downloaded image, and drag it straight into Photoshop. Once the image is loaded, unlock the background layer. Then, go to the top menu, select Image, head over to Adjustments, and click on Desaturate to turn it black and white. Next, go back to Image, Adjustments, and select Invert to invert the colors. To make the brush more defined, open Levels by pressing Ctrl+L and adjust the sliders to boost the contrast so the blacks become deeper and the whites become pure. Now go to the Edit menu and click on Define Brush Preset. Give your new custom brush a name like Cloud and hit OK. And that's it. Create a new transparent layer, hide the original image, select your brush tool, and you can now paint beautiful, realistic clouds with just a single click. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe.